lifeonsummerhill.com, and today I'm going to share with you how I clean my water and ice dispenser in my refrigerator and how to replace your water filter after you're finished. For the water filter, my water filter is down here in the bottom of the refrigerator, and all I have to do is turn it and pull it out and put in the new one, and then I slide it back in. But whenever I go to replace my water filter, I usually remove this grill down here and I vacuum any of the dust that has collected down in this space. Also, I am subscribed to the Sears Parts Direct water filter program. So every 6 months I get a new filter, and whenever I get the new filter, that's when I clean down here and I just pull it out, attach the new filter to this turn piece, and then push it back in and turn it. So basically that's what I do for my filter. My filter hasn't come in yet, so I won't be able to show you on this video, but maybe in the future I'll show you how I do it. It's super easy. I mean, all you do is unscrew and pull it out. But anyways, that's how I clean my water dispenser, and I replace the water filter on my Kenmore side-by-side refrigerator. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you guys have a great day.